Hi, I'm Yvonne. Today I would like to show you how to use these one-line art practice books to learn how to draw various subjects using just one single line. By now there are 3 books. The first one is perfect for beginners. It contains simple, straightforward drawings, which are also great if you want to make your own greeting cards. Book number 2 has slightly more challenging designs. Some of them are ideal for Christmas and others are simple, relaxing illustrations to experiment with. Book number 3 is a bit tricky even for me. I need to practice those regularly. And sometimes it's just about picking it up again and getting back into it. All the designs are drawn by me. They are not perfectly straight or flawless, but I want to show you that it's possible to draw them. You can totally do it. You just need a bit of practice, and that comes surprisingly fast. Now I would like to show you how to use the books. They are all structured the same way. At the beginning, there's a short introduction, including the idea behind the book and how I suggest you to work with it. Step 1, 2, and 3. Step 1 is analyzing the design. You look at where the starting point and the end point are. Sometimes it's very clear where to begin, but it doesn't really matter. You can start at either end. Study the subject and observe how the line flows. It helps to trace it with your finger once and then follow it again with your eyes to see where the line goes. On the second page, you will find lighter, more transparent lines you can trace over. Take your time with those as well. I recommend using soft pencils for tracing. There are actually big differences in pencil hardness. It starts with really hard pencils, and this is one of the hardest I own. I've never ever used it before. The standard pencil that most people know and use is the HB. That's the medium soft or middle hard one, so exact in the middle. From there it varies. In my pencil set, it starts with 3B, that's this one, 3B, 5B, 7B, even 9B. 9B and 7B are great for shading. For working in the exercise books, I recommend 3B because soft pencils are easier to erase. And the workbooks can be reused. So just draw with a soft pencil and erase it afterwards. Once you spend a little time observing the line, you can start drawing over it. Try to trace it all in one go in a single line. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. The goal is just to understand how the line flows. If you feel comfortable with the design, you can use the blank pages to practice or grab a separate sheet. I like using these small sticky notes. Keep your eyes on the design while you draw it from reference. And of course, once you've practiced a bit, all these drawings can be used to make lovely birthday cards or home decor. Book 2 and 3 have more detailed illustrations. Like this horse, for example. I recommended not starting at the end point here, but rather at the front, the starting point. Take a close look at the subject. It just takes some practice. And it rarely works out perfectly on the first try. Unless you're a pro, then it probably does. For me, it almost never works right away. Let's try this one. But with practice, you'll get a feeling for the direction and the curves. What matters most is learning how to draw in one continuous stroke. This is my first try after a long time, and I'm not entirely happy with this part here. It could have been a bit straighter, but next time it'll turn out better. In this third book, there are even more designs than the first two. They are a bit more curvy. And this one is actually my favorite. Let's try to draw this one. The arm didn't turn out great, still needs a bit of practice again. On the last few pages you'll find some extra designs as inspiration or templates. Now I'll show you a few videos I recorded while drawing. Maybe you'd like to draw along. Thanks so much for watching.